My name is Higgs and this is my friend, Jhon. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Jhon?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, A New Golden Species of Diasporus from Southwestern Colombia, with evaluation of the phylogenetic significance of morphological characters in Diasporus. The Turarinan genus Diasporus is presently composed of 16 species, of which 3 exhibit a yellowish coloration in life. In 2011, faunal explorations at the montane forest of the Rio Anchiquia, western slopes of the Cordillera Occidental in the Departamento del Valle del Cauca, Colombia, led to the discovery of a remarkable golden specimen of genus Diasporus. Morphological examination of this specimen revealed a number of significant morphological differences within the genus, suggesting that it could be considered a new species.
That is wonderful information, Higgs. The new species exhibits a yellowish coloration in life, a character that it shares with other 3 species in the genus. The new species differs from all other congeners in having 2 chrome-orange spots on sacral region, smooth ventral skin, basal webbing between the toes, and distal papillae at tips of disc covers on fingers and toes. Further, the new species differs from all congeners by an uncorrected P distance of greater than 5.56% of the 16 srRNA gene fragment.
That is so intriguing, Jhon. In addition to the new species described, the researchers demonstrated that the possession of a yellowish coloration in life optimizes unambiguously as a synapomorphy of a clade within Diasporus, which may be recognized as the Diasporus diastema species group.
Researchers also discussed the phylogenetic significance of 2 morphological characters previously considered of systematic value in Diasporus: the occurrence of oval palmar tubercles and longitudinal folds of the vocal sacs on the throat. On this basis, researchers demonstrated that these characters appear to be simple synapomorphies rather than synapomorphies of Diasporus. The main difference between synapomorphy and simple synapomorphy is that in synapomorphy, 2 or more taxa share a character with their recent common ancestor, while in simple synapomorphy, the character shared by the 2 or more taxa occurs in their earliest common ancestor. Furthermore, synapomorphy describes a derived character while simple synapomorphy describes an ancestral character.
Great point, Jhon. Researchers also showed that this character conflates various characters, involving variation in pad shape, dorsal outline of the disc, and dependence between discs of different digits. Finally, considering that phenotypic data are a valuable source of evidence in testing phylogenetic hypotheses of Turarinan frogs, the researchers encourage future research to incorporate phenotypic evidence into phylogenetic studies involved in the genus Diasporus. That was an interesting paper providing overview of a discovery of new golden species of Diasporus. Hope you liked it. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Please like, share and subscribe.